Hello everybody, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a lovely piece of Lanvin. So this is a Lanvin top shoulder and it's quite a simple kind of understated design, but I really love it, it's beautiful. So we've got at the back this one big flat pocket, and we've obviously got this leather top handle here, and then we've got a Lanvin clasp to fasten that flap closure as well. And this piece of Lanvin is leather throughout, so we've got a leather lining as well. Inside we've got this one flat pocket, and then on the opposite side we've got another larger flat pocket that goes across the front of that, so you can get the angle. There we go, a bit better. One flat pocket there. This pocket is also, on this side, is zipped, and then on this little zip we've got that Lanvin, get it an angle so you can see it, Lanvin badge there as well. So for the condition of this bag, we've called it good all around. So this leather still looks really beautiful, but you can see it's just got a few signs of wear, which I'll show you. We've got creasing on either side here at the front, and then on the back kind of got indentations here and there, and it's similar on the base as well. Just got a little mark here and then a little bit of creasing on the sides, but it is still in very, very beautiful condition, and it's still kept that kind of structured look quite well. Hardware we've called good again. This Lanvin badge on the front is still really, really nice, and the loops on the top handles again are in really nice condition. The base studs have just got a little bit of wear to them, slightly discolouring, but other than that, still very nice. And then it's just under this clasp here. It's probably got the most signs of wear, but it's still very minimal. You can see just a little bit of scratching around there. But other than that, the hardware is still in very nice condition. So inside, it's a similar situation to the exterior. Just a little bit of natural creasing from where it's been folded over. And then there's a couple of marks here and there on that leather on the inside. But it is a very, very beautiful bag. I could see this being a nice work bag. The shape of it is very kind of elegant. But yeah, I'm a big fan of this bag. So for the exact details, more details on this bag and the exact measurements for it, go to the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you love this bag just as much as we do, you can still get on our request list, which you do by sending us over an email, or you can fill out the contact us form on our website, and let us know that you love this bag, and we'll get you on our request list, which means that you'll get an alert every time we get in a bag like this through the door. You'll get a link to shop, so hopefully you can get in there before everybody else. So this Lanvin also comes with, let me show you, we've got the Lanvin dust bag here, and then we've also got Lanvin manufacturer's card as well. So for size, I will show you on me for reference. I'm a size UK 10 and 5'4". So holding by that top handle there, this is where it sits on me, how it kind of looks on me. I could really see this being, with this structure, a beautiful work bag. So while you're here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, so that you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags that we have to show you. On our website, you will find loads more beautiful bags, purses and wallets, so have a browse through there. Also on our website, you'll find the option to sign up to our newsletter. And if you do that, we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase. So don't forget to sign up to the newsletter so you can get your discount code. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you have any bags that you can think of that you would like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, go onto that page and find all the details you need to know about selling with us. We would love to see what you have for us. And that's all I have for you today, so we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.